first go to datum plane and then select datum coordinate system. However, please choose dynamic one and press OK. For dynamic coordinate systems, it allows you to move in 3 directions for translation motions. And so as you can see in this example, if I want to move in translation motion in the x-axis, I can just double click on the coordinate system. And I can move in x-axis. And I can also rotate around the x-axis. For another datum you would likely to encounter most often is datum plane. So first, press on the data plane options and then choose at distance. So at distance, you can create a plane at the relative distance. For example, I choose at distance and then I press on XY plane and then I just choose any numbers I want, suppose 10. I just press enter. So that means you can create another datum plane with respect to the XY planes of this coordinate system. And another datum planes that you would likely encounter frequently as well is at angle. So at angle, first choose the plane that you would like it to create, and after that choose through axis. So which axis you would like to rotate around. So for example, x-axis, and I will just press OK. And if you want to change at specific angle, please double click again. And you can choose 120. So that's it for this tutorial. And I would say in my experience, it should be more than enough for you to continue in another lesson.